I first came to Galway, I developed this sort of private mythology of Galway as a city on the edge of the world. Just slightly out beyond the horizon, there's a drop off into an abyss. So we have to turn around to look at the world, to comprehend it. And because of that, I've known that Galway has this great curiosity about the world.
Nor a bhíon píosa ceol cuma agam, uaireanta cuireann daoine ceistorm. Cén chuí a nearna tú é sin? Caithfidh tú ligant an intín dul san áit ar bháis.
Sin an rud tá baint leis Noeline caithfidh tú aon le tain. Is málam áiteachí mar sin nach bhfuil aon duine le thart ach mé haon.
Galway is getting a reputation for something that generation-old Galwegians may have no part in. Galway is a city of the arts. That's not something bone deep in Renmore and Merview and Ballyban.
Artists have nurtured themselves here and they've harnessed something.
It's like it's this cacophony of energy and belief, and we try and just bring that out on the streets and hope that that energy filters through into everybody so that you go home feeling slightly altered. That'd be it, really, I'd say.